Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got something a little bit different. This is a washing machine motor out of Mrs. Lefthandthread's backup washing machine. The brushes are worn, so if you go to the back of these, you'll see the two brush holders, these two black things here. This is out of a Beko washing machine, but they're pretty much the same as each other. And what you do is to get the two screws to the back here on each side. Sometimes you can get this whole holder and think this plastic holder brushes inside it, and I'd probably advise you that's the best way to go because it's easier. When you do that, all you have to do is take off this wire like that, clip the new one on, screw it in. But the way I've got them is the difficult way, and I think it's more fun to show you the difficult way because I bought them like this and they go inside that housing. So I've got to open that housing and place them in. To get this open, you can get a sharp screwdriver in here and just pry it open like that. You can see, and that should just slide out of here somewhat. Yep, like that. And you put the other one in the same way as that one come out. That should go straight in. Yes. And when you're doing this, remember to do this also, because this is these need to be released as well. See, there's a little clip holding that. You need to do that before you do anything, because once you close that, you'll not get that brush to come out. That's what it should be. If you compare that to the old one, look, they were definitely worn. Look at that. You get that on like that. You put the lid back on. You can see there's a groove for that. Line that up. Hopefully it lines up on the other side as well. Yeah. See the two parts, two metal parts that line up with the plastic parts on the body too. You close that over. Oh, put it on the right way up. Yeah. There we are. That's clipped in. That's ready to go back in. Like so. You can see the two screws there. If you can see what I'm doing there, try and get it up close as possible. And you slide that wire back on. It's a matter of repeating the process on the other side. As you can see, they were well done. So that's them on the back, just the screws tightened up and the wire back on. Remember to put the wires back on, tighten up the screws, that's all you have to think about. And after that, you just slide it onto the washing machine. Here again, the old brushes, the new brushes are fitted. So we have to fit it to the washing machine. So we're at the back of the washing machine and you can see there's screws holding the panel on, so we have to remove those screws. So that's the screws out and the panel off there. So this motor goes this way up. If you look in here, there's two of these, one here and further on, and these two spurs slide onto them, and then there's this bracket here that this bolts onto, and I think it's probably easier to put that plug on to connect the electricity to it. But before you do this, make sure the washing machine is plugged out. So first of all, put on the white plug, slide that in, just clip on. Push it onto that little retainers in place there. It'll stay on then. And then you lift it. That's as tight as I can tighten it now, so you have a look in there. It's hanging in two brackets and one wee bolt there too. If you can get your belt into this position, where it's half on the big wheel and round the pulley and the motor, and go like that there, and give it a wee ease on like that. Now your belt's on. Now you just have to put the back on and we're good to go. That's the back on now. So that's the back straight on now, so it's just a matter of connecting the water supply and turning it on and plugging it in. So this was a Beko WMA10W, but a lot of them is pretty much of a muchness, much the same. The brushes for that only cost $6.99, and you've seen how easy it was to do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.